God is saying to you today, stop worrying about what's ahead. Stop replaying the what ifs in your mind. I've already gone before you. I'm already working it out. Philippians 4 verse 6 says, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God." That means whatever's been keeping you up at night, whatever's been heavy on your heart, whatever you've been trying to figure out on your own, you can release it to me. You weren't designed to carry the weight of the world. You were designed to cast your cares on me, because I care for you. So here's what I want you to do today. Trade your worry for worship. Trade your panic for prayer. Trade your fear for faith. I'm not asking you to have it all figured out. I'm asking you to trust the one who already does. When you pray, I listen. When you trust, I move. When you thank me in advance, you're preparing the way for miracles. I'm still the God who parts seas. I'm still the God who moves mountains. I'm still the God who makes a way where there is no way. Take a deep breath. Release it all to me, and let my peace, the kind that surpasses all understanding, fill your heart and guard your mind. Type, "Thank you, God," if you believe it, and share this with someone who needs this encouragement today.